Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to manage your wallet security settings in Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. First, launch the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet on your device and log in using your credentials. After that, access the settings. Tap on the settings icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, in the settings menu, look for the security section and click on it. Now here you can select the passcode for the security settings. You can enable or modify a passcode to protect your wallet from unauthorized access. Click on Edit Passcode to change your passcode and Disable Passcode option to disable your passcode. To ensure your wallet with biometric authentication, which is Face ID or Touch ID, you need to go on this respective option and click on to enable biometric authentication. You can also back up your wallet. Under the security settings, you will find Backup Manager. Click on the option and you can restore your backup or create a new backup. If you choose to export your private keys, ensure you store them securely as access to private key means full access to your fund. You also need to monitor for updates. Regularly check for updates to ensure your wallet has the latest security patch. Go to your App Store or Play Store and search for the Unstoppable Crypto Wallet. Here, find the application and you will see Update button. Tap on it to download the latest version of it. By following these steps, you can manage and enhance the security of your Unstoppable Crypto Wallet, ensuring your assets remain protected. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.